very famous Turkish dessert that has chocolate inside it. Interesting. Let's try it. Is it melting? It looks so good, guys. Look at it. Look. It's so yummy. Okay, I'll try it. This is Nutella. Amazingly, 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 amazing. Okay guys, so right now we're here at Hazrat Abu Ayub Ansari anhu's tomb. Tomb is in Istanbul and we're here to visit it. We have just offered a prayer here. Exited and I hope you guys also prayed with us. Guys, here we have a different car and it's right beside the dog.
What's your name?
Aline.
Aline.
How old are you? I am 9 too.
9.
Almost 10. After 1 year. I'm gonna turn grade 5. Guys, we're inside the cable car. Guys, that's our cable car. Let's go. Guys, we're inside the cable car. Look, it's so beautiful. Top of the hill, and I love this area. It's really beautiful. Right now we just entered a cafe and I ordered a chocolate milkshake. So just look at the view. It's really beautiful. I love it. This is the chocolate milkshake. It looks so good. Yeah, it has some straws here, so yeah, it's chocolate latte. I don't open this thing. It doesn't open. Like this. And it's still not dark. And look at the view, it's just so nice. Just look at it. Just look at it. Especially the swimming thing, like the water. The sea. Yeah, there's like ships in it. Let's take some pictures. And this yeah, I have fear of heights. The graveyard. There's a graveyard there. Oh, okay guys, so right now we're going back. It's really dark now. Okay guys, so we just came, we were walking and we were really hungry, so we came to this tiny restaurant that we can get everything. Okay, so we ordered this soup that looks pretty good. It's called lentil soup. You want to try it? Okay, try it. We already put lemon in it. It's like hot, I think. Try more. Is it good? It's hot. It's fine. Oh, it's nice. Okay guys, so our next dish is tabuk tawab. Looks interesting. We can't touch the plate because we will burn our hands. Guys, so our last dish is cheese pizza again. It looks delicious. Yeah. Looks interesting. Yep. Like it's like a world. Circular. So full of cheese. Yeah, it's so cheesy.